What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We finally got our furniture, guys. It has been since October since we have had any of our stuff. Literally the only things we had with us are these crazy totes of DIECAST and 3 totes of clothing and an air mattress. So I actually have this corner kind of set up. If you guys remember, this was the old workbench I would do a lot of my custom work on. I actually have some pegboard and some lighting, which I am stoked to have, so when I actually do my work and customs, we can actually get to work in our designated area. But as you can see, I put my dioramas and all of my larger scale die-cast on this table, which is also another workbench. But the room is coming along, guys. Check this out. Sunday's live stream, we actually did some rapid racing where people were just calling out cars to go head to head against other ones. It was actually super fun. We might do that again every Sunday. We might do some bracket style. But guys, we actually have our very first mail call in the new MHD headquarters or hideaway. I know King Nut liked to call it the hideaway, but here we go, guys. We have a package right here from Sammy. This has been everywhere but in my hands. So he sent this probably, what, 2 weeks ago now, and he's been trying to get updates on it. It said it was delivered on the 19th and today is the 30th. So yeah, guys, talk about lost in, I don't know, communication in the mail clouds somewhere. But in the middle of our move, it was sent to our apartment, which, I don't know, it was hectic, but we got our hands on it and I cannot wait to see what Sammy sent. I know he said his grandson sent a custom of Ruby, and if you haven't seen, we have Ruby set up right here. A lot of people have sent some amazing customs and replicas of Ruby. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy opened. Let's go ahead and zoom in our normal and put the light on. All right, guys, let's see what we got. Oh, check it out. We got the U.S. Air Force number 43. Is this a sticker? Oh, here we go. It says, thank you for all you do for me and everybody in our country, Mustang Hunter. You are awesome person. Nice. Thank you, man. So here we go. This is from Kevin Jackson. My pop let me do this for you. Sweet. Let's check this out. I think this was the hauler that I sent Sammy, and Kevin did it up and sent it right back as a custom. So let's go ahead and figure out how to open this up. You guys already know how we do this one-handed. Right, here we go. This was actually the Advan hauler for the R32. Look at that. You actually have the F-15 fighter on the side with the Mustang in super bold metallic blue writing. Mustang Hunter initials on the back and Hunter on this side. Check that out. Mustang Hunter, and then of course you have some type of, looks like maybe an attack helicopter, or maybe it looks like a carrier style helicopter. But check this out, guys. Did a nice recolor in white, and then you got the nice blue top right there. Oh, check this out. You got the Air Force with the stars. Nice. My dude, Kevin, thank you so much, man. That is awesome. All right, let's see. What else do we have in here? For racing, Kevin Jackson, am going to kick some butt. All right, let's see. What do we have in here? We got 2 castings. Looks like we're going for some track races. Looks like we got the Amazoom. This is probably one of the other coolest fantasy style cars there is. But check this out, guys. Really nice plastic body. I do have this one. It's a super sick looking car. It's kind of like a hybrid between, I don't know, it has a Evo style to it, but it's not. It's a fantasy casting, but check it out, guys. You have the nice red plastic body, the Amazoom livery, and then of course you have the black and yellow MC5s. Look at that. It's a super cool car, definitely an underrated casting. Got this one for the track, I'm guessing. Looks like a Mustang with some stripes on it. All right. Oh, look at this. The Shelby GT 350, guys. Look at that. Oh, check this out, guys. This is freaking awesome. All right, I think it's in this one, actually. Don't ask why it's in here, but here we go. Look at this. here we go. We got to this one, and now one in much better condition. Check that out, guys. Oh, and this one actually still has the hitch on it. Look at that. Still has the hitch. This one is completely missing. So this was broken off. This one was definitely used heavily. Suspension on this one's kind of shot, but this one is still sturdy. Oh man, that is freaking awesome. All right, let's go ahead and just sit this one in there for a second. Oh man, this is actually going to be a really good contender for the track. Check that out, guys. There's only one version of the Shelby GT350 from this Matchbox release, and that is it. There is no other recolors of this casting. Awesome. All right, let's see. Ooh, here we go. It's awesome because I've been wanting the Hot Wheels Sports 5-pack just for this Mustang, and here we go. We finally got it in the collection. Look at that. It's the 71 funny car in this beautiful pearl white, and of course you do have the baseball graphics on there, and I love how they did Hot Wheels in the baseball jersey font. Look at that. Oh, that is sweet. So there is this one, and then the van. Check this out, guys. This is actually a pretty old casting. 1985 casting license, but here we go. You got the 7 spokes with the staggered fitment. This is a Ford Aerostar, I think. Yeah, because you can see the blue oval in the front. We actually drove a Ford Aerostar when I was growing up, but look at that. You got the louvers on the back. It looks like some type of, oh, you got the Capitol. Oh yeah, nice. Dude, that is sweet. So it's a plastic body, metal base. So Sammy, you're gonna have to let me know which ones are for the track. Let me know, but I'm putting money on these right here. Let's see, what else do we got? We have another loose casting. Ooh, check this out. Looks like a custom one right here. Oh yeah, nice. Got the 68 Shelby. There you go, 68 GT500. Look at that. Did some tail light work, some lower lights right there by the exhaust. Then coming around the front, he did the fog lights, headlights, and the turn signals. That is an awesome casting. So I actually do have this one carded. I don't think I ever had one open. There we go, right there, the 68 Shelby. And now we have a fully done up version of it from Sammy. Awesome. All right, next up, what do we have? Oh, there it is. That's what I came up with of Ruby. Hope you like it. Kevin Jackson, thank you for all you do for us. You guys know I love stuff like this, especially when people take the time to send a custom, and especially one of Ruby. So here we go. We have, looks like a 2019 Mustang Coupe. Look at those wheels. There we go. You got the deck lid, the tail light work. So Kevin, man, look at that. He even got the tan interior, which Ruby has the tan interior. There we go. Man, that's a nice setup right there, man. So awesome. So Sammy, tell your grandson Kevin that I definitely appreciate a mini replica such as this right there. That is an awesome looking setup. Looks like we got one left. Ooh, check this out. I don't know what this is, but look at that. Oh, dude, that is sweet. What is this? I think this is it's like a side splitter. It's a side splitter. You guys gotta let me know down in the comments, but check out this paint job. Loving that paint splatter. Look at that. Oh man, you guys know I absolutely love opening body casts. And there we go. You definitely gotta let me know what this series is from. But I'm pretty sure this is called the side splitter, side something. But look at that. Oh man, this is definitely going to be a good track contender. So like I said, Sammy, let me know which ones are for the track. I'm definitely stoked to get this one down the track. Pretty much any one of these, except for these customs, because I don't want to damage those. But look at that, guys. This is an awesome package from Sammy and his grandson Kevin. He definitely killed and blew these customs out of the water. These are freaking awesome. So Kevin, thank you so much for putting in the time and work and doing everything to get this custom sent over. That is so cool. So here we go, guys. Awesome stuff from Sammy. You got the Amazoom in red, the Shelby GT350 out of Matchbox. I think this is the Ford Aerostar. Then you got the detailed 68 Shelby, this side splitter, I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, with this awesome paint deco. Then of course the 71 Mustang, which I've been dying to get in the collection. Thank you so much, Sammy, for sending this. I know it was a headache of trying to get this package to me. There we go, guys. We got some awesome castings in the collection as well as for this track. So stay tuned for Sunday's Rapid Racing, where each person calls out a specific cast. Hopefully I have it open, and if not, I'll just open up ones that I have, and we'll just go head to head, going back and forth, calling out cars. I'm gonna try to do a setup tour. It is a bracket style. 8 people within the stream just call out cars, and those go head to head, and we'll try to change it up. But I'll get you more info on that this coming Sunday. Stay tuned for that live stream. It's at 2 p.m. every Sunday. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up and comment down below and let me know what the heck this is from, and if this is the side splitter, and then of course if this is the Aerostar, which I'm pretty sure it is. That is all we got for today, aside from trying to get the rest of this setup complete. I want this to be an epic setup, even better than the last. But until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.